she's from the Philippines, and this is the first time that she's doing a live in Facebook. And hey, there you
Hello, hello. Good evening.
go, guys. Yeah, good evening. Thank you. And guys, we're gonna talk
Hello.
about gonna speak English and Philippine language, which is Tagalog. So it's a Tagalog. So sorry if you don't understand, but she's from the Philippines, and this is the first time that she's going live on Facebook. I know the feeling of first time, right? You
Yes.
a little bit nervous. She feel
Yeah.
a bit whatever, but that's what it is. At least you try your best to go live and get out of that fear in front of the camera. So, yes.
Good evening, everybody. What's up? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are tuning in right now. Kumusta po? Sorry po last week kasi kasi medyo aberya yun. Okay na ngayon. My name is Hermes Villanueva. I am originally from Bohol, but now I am staying here in Binondo, Manila. At na-involve ako sa network marketing a year ago. At saka, yun, nagustuhan ko. Kahit na medyo mahirap kasi iba kasi itong pag wala ka pang experience. First company ko, first time ko talaga. And this time, talagang pinilit kong sarili kong mag-live kasi kailangan gawin. It is about leading myself because if I cannot lead myself, I cannot lead other people, diba? So, kailangan
Correct.
natin talagang tapangan sarili natin. As in, talagang hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang natatakot ako mag-live. Yung iba kasi parang wala lang. Sobra talaga. As in, I'm scared. Pero ito, ginagawa ko talaga. Kasi kailangan gawin. Tsaka gusto ko rin kayong makabanding kasi 'di ba? Mas maganda yung nakikita niyo ako dito kasi dito sa Facebook ang daming fake, 'di ba? So, ganun. Oh, sana guys mag-enjoy kayo sa mga i-share namin sa inyo ngayon.
So now, how do you feel going live on the first time on Facebook, on the camera? Anong feeling?
Talagang, oo.
Are
Kasi
you still
talagang,
nervous?
yung mga nireview ko parang nawala. Medyo,
See, I
pero
told,
konti na lang.
I told
Oo,
you. Okay na lang.
okay
Guys,
lang
hindi
po.
na po dyan.
Because I have decided to go all in na talaga and I need this to develop myself. I am working on my personal development, on my siyempre, kailangan kong matuto lahat ng skills, matutunan ko lahat ng skills, hindi lang sa pag-recruit o ano-ano pa. Kailangan natin lahat ng skills, kailangan natin matutunan. So ito, I have decided to go all in na talaga sa business na to.
So,
And thank you sa pag-guide
so
me,
you're
for guiding me,
welcome. So, yeah. So,
and
share
my other
one.
mentors.
Yeah, can you share us one thing that you've learned since you got started in, getting into this, what do you call this, attraction marketing?
Ang dami kong natutunan dito at saka uh, I have learned na yung lahat ng mga ginagawa ko dati ay mali eh. Maling diskarte. Ang dami. At saka, iba talaga. At saka, ina-align ko na rin yung sarili ko sa passion ko. Kasi, ang talagang yung malaking rason, kasi we have to have reason. We have to have reason to do this. Kailangan alam mo kung anong rason mo, kung bakit mo gagawin to, para saan, para kanino. Diba? Kailangan, we have clarity. So, ang daming, dito sa network marketing, ang dami kong natutunan. Ang daming dapat natin i-work out sa sarili natin. We have to start from the inside. Kasi talagang, yung fear, yung doubts, natin na talagang kaya ba natin yung gawin? Totoo ba to? Ganito, ganyan. So, ang dami talaga. Saka, yun, kailangan natin i-lead natin yung sarili natin para ma-lead din natin yung iba. Yun,
Yes.
talagang nag-i-enjoy ako. Ini-enjoy ko lang ang process.
You're focusing more on yourself. You're not focusing more on your
Yeah.
business, how you make money, and how you make sales, how you close sales like other people doing. They just go straight to make sales without, without learning more important skills than selling, right? Because
Yes.
selling the first step that you have to learn when you're doing business, especially on network marketing business or whatever business you are doing, right? Selling is the
Mhm.
last thing because you cannot sell anyone if they
Yeah.
don't know you. If you know somebody, you don't buy, right?
Yeah, yung mga copy-paste na approach, hindi na po yan effective ngayon. Kailangan po natin kasing i-embrace yung change. Kailangan natin mag-innovate para makasabay tayo. Tsaka, yun,
Correct.
napaka-exciting po mga nalalaman ko sa mga pinag-aralan ko kasi I shift into coaching din eh. Gusto ko magiging coach, maging magaling na coach, hindi lang, kasi huwag tayo magsisettle doon lang sa pagiging distributor. Kailangan kasi natin mag-build ng kung gusto nating mag-build ng malaking business, so we have to build a large network of people. We have to grow a large network of people. Kailangan marunong tayong mag-build ng relationships and connections. Kailangan nating matutunan kung paano natin i-engage ang ating mga prospects, ang ating hindi tayo dapat kasi magiging attached sa outcome. Kailangan kasi natin i-expel yung money mindset. We do not have to think money that is the solution for everything. Hindi yung nag-after ka na nire-recruit mo dahil para kumita na ganito hindi po ganito. Tuwang-tuwa po kasi ako because the first time when I learned about this attraction marketing, tapos yung kailangan natin gawin, kasi it is about attracting people to who you and what you really have to offer to them. Kailangan natin unang-una natin gawin is i-clean up natin ang profile natin. Kasi we are branding ourselves. This is about branding yourself, not your company, not your product. It is you. You yourself. You have to show you who you really are. So, kailangan yung profile pic na unang-una, yung profile pic is dapat ikaw lang. Hindi yung asawa mo, hindi yung baby mo, yung nakalagay, hindi yung manok mo. Kasi marami akong nakikitang ganun eh, may manok. Mayroong pang mga aso, o di ba? Kasi hindi po yan talaga tama. Kasi at our profile is our first handshake here in social media. Ito yung i-check ng mga tao. Kunyari, nagre-request ka, nag-friend request ka. Yan yung titingnan agad eh. So, from the first 3 to 5 seconds, they will have to decide if they will accept you, if they will like you, di ba? Yun yung doon nila kung anong impression nila sa'yo. So, kailangan ipakita mo kung sino ka. Huwag ka rin magpanggap. Hindi tayo kailangan magpanggap. Ako noon, nung meron akong pinost noon na nakaano kami sa kotse. Pero, hindi ko kotse po yun. Kasi maraming iba akala nila kotse ko na yun. Nakakahiya talaga. Parang naano ako noon. Kaya ayoko talaga. Kaya ito, pinapakita ko kung sino ako. Tsaka, hindi po ako nagmamagaling kasi hindi pa po talaga ako magaling. I am working on myself para ma-develop yung mga skills ko, lalo na communication skills. Lahat ng skills na kailangan talagang yan, unti-unti kong aaralin yan, unti-unti kong matutunan. Kasi we are dealing with our downlines. So kailangan we are a good example. We are the leader that they want to duplicate. So kailangan so balik tayo sa profile. Your profile is it is like our first handshake. It is our home here in social media. So, kailangan maayos tingnan. And about your cover photo, kailangan din na it shows you who you are. At saka what you stands for. Kung ano, pwede mong lagyan ng mga quotes na relate ka na parang ikaw yun. Yun yung you stands for it. Parang gano'n. Kasi yun yung ginawa ko. Tsaka ang ganda ng resulta. Kasi I am attracting people talaga. In 3 days, meron akong 700 requests. Nabaliw ako dun. Tapos nabaliw ako sa Oo, 3 days lang. Nag-700 agad. Ay, ano ba to? Paano na ba to? Tapos hindi naman lahat dapat. Hindi dapat kasi lahat i-accept eh. Pipiliin mo lang.
Yeah. I teach how to do that, right? So guys, if you don't know what she's talking about, after she changed her personal profile on Facebook, 3 days, she got how many? 700?
700 in just 3 days.
Yeah,
Ikaw na,
700 friend requests in just 3 days. So I told her to just, don't accept and delete because some people are asking you friend requests because maybe they need help, or they need something for you, or they learn something from you, and they want to connect with you, some things like that. There are reasons why they're asking you to be to become a friend
kasi
with.
sari-sari talaga may encounter mo dito sa FB. Marami talaga. Marami na rin akong na-block. Kasi hindi ko nagustuhan branding ourselves, diba? Kailangan sarili natin iba-brand, hindi yung company, hindi yung product. Kasi
That's why don't mention any product, don't mention your company name, just being you, brand yourself, and help people, give value to the people. That's all what network marketing is doing.
so back to the profile. So kailangan yung picture profile, yung profile pic mo, ikaw lang talaga mismo yung nakasmile doon. Hindi yung
Yeah,
manok mo, hindi
right.
yung baby mo, hindi yung asawa mo. Ikaw lang mismo. You have to show you who you are. Show to people who you are. Tsaka, about naman sa cover photo, it needs to show you who you are and what you stand for. Kailangan maganda rin, kaaya-aya rin tingnan. And the about section pala, fill it out as much as possible. Yes, I think it. About section, di ba? Yun, i-fill out mo yung lahat. Para pag-check ng prospect mo or may nag-friend request sa'yo or yung mag-a-accept sa'yo, makikita yung information na nandun. Kung sino ka, all about you. At saka sa timeline natin, kailangan tayong mag-provide ng massive value. You have to provide massive value to your audience. You have to create valuable content. Kailangan, our purpose is to educate people sa audience natin, to inspire, and yes, to connect. Unang-una to connect, to educate, to inspire. Huwag tayong mag-post ng mga walang kakwenta-kwenta. Kailangan yung mga nagbabasa ay may matutunan sa atin, makaka-relate sa atin. Ganun po. Yung mga, kasi, dito sa mga post natin nakikita, yun, nababrand mo ng sarili mo dyan eh. Kung lagi kang nag-aaway dun sa timeline mo, sa Facebook, yun, yung brand mo pala away, di ba? Yun yung brand mo. Pag yung profile picture mo, kunyari manok, yun yung brand mo, sugarol ka. Or, di ba, yun yung titingnan kasi ng tao. Kasi dapat, kaya tayo i-optimize natin yung mga profile picture natin. Yung iba kasi hindi lang aware doon. Parang okay lang. Parang yun nga. Wala lang. Importante po yun.
Post links there. So if you want to sell something, if you want to sell your products, or or business opportunity, you make your own Facebook page, or you go to YouTube, because Facebook is not a search engine optimization. It's not a Facebook is where people looking for people, looking for friends, engaging with people all over the world. It's not nobody go to Facebook and looking for how can I learn this, how can I buy this, I want to make money, how to do business. Nobody do that, right, guys? So I hope you understand what's the difference of this social media platforms, YouTube, and Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, things like that. They have different, strategies on how you can use their platform. So hope
iba-iba talaga.
Yeah, just be careful so you won't get shut down or you won't go to jail.
Kasi ang una-una talagang ang una-unang tinatanggal diyan sa Facebook yung mga nagpo-post ng links nila. Kasi bawal na talaga yun.
Copy and paste, you already know.
Yeah. That is why I'm not doing it anymore. Kasi alam ko na eh. Tsaka it's not effective na talaga. Minsan merong binta pero mas madalas wala, hindi na pinapansin eh. Kasi kung yung timeline, kung yung profile natin, kung dun sa profile natin, kung puro business na lang, 'di ba? i-treat natin ito as our channel. Diba? Kung may TV, diba, pag nanood tayo ng TV, kung puro commercial na lang, nililipat natin. Diba, hindi natin gusto yun. Kaya, ang ano naman dito is, yung profile lang, linisin natin. Na-promote your product and company up front. Meron tayong dapat paglagyan yan doon sa mga pages natin. At saka doon mo i-add doon mo i-invite o yung mga prospects mo. Kasi dito, i-discuss natin as we go along. I-discuss natin yung kung sinong magiging target market natin, kung paano tayo mag-build ng relationships and connection, paano tayo mag-engage ng audience natin, at paano natin i-serve yung audience. So, sa ngayon, yan lang muna po ang isi-share ko. Thank you sa mga nag-tune in ngayon. At saka sa mga makakapanood nito sa replay, just type replay para ma-reply namin kayo. Kasi I want to have connection with you all. Gusto ko makabanding kayo lahat. Ano pa naman na friends tayo tapos hindi tayo nag-uusap dito. Because I just want to be myself. I just want to be as authentic talaga. Kailangan, you need to pretend for become somebody na hindi naman ako. So, gusto ko lang maging natural. I'd like to thank you for posing me at saka yung dalawang mentors ko, Mike and Miranda. Thank you very much. Kasi kayo talagang tatawang napupush sa akin na gawin to, kailangan mong gawin yan. Just enjoy the process, huwag kang matakot, mga ganun. As in, sobrang thankful po ako sa inyo. At saka mga kaibigan ko, hindi lang po ito tungkol sa business. I am sharing with you anything about relationship, about family, about other business. Kahit hindi network marketing, meron din tayong mga topics na ganyan. So, stay tuned.
You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Just don't forget, marry the process. Every time I'm always telling that, marry the process before the outcome. All right?
Yeah. And I am just enjoying the process.
Yeah, just marry the process. All right? All right. So, guys, thank you so much for jumping on. Thank you so much for watching. And we're going back tomorrow night again. And she's going to share you other things that she learned from me, from other mentors and leaders. And hope you get value with these guys. And thank you so much for watching. And Hermes, thank you so much for jumping on. And hope you have a great night.
Yes, thank you.